Right. For this video, I wanted to discuss Padlet and how it could be utilized. Why did I discuss Padlet or pick Padlet? It's a very easy to use tool, offers a lot of flexibility for student and parent questions or feedback. It's a great tool to have some student interaction outside of the classroom. There's a lot of opportunities that Padlet offers. What I see myself using Padlet for would be communicating information to my kids in my FFA chapter. Um, I think Padlet would allow me to eliminate any chances of instructions or details being missed or misinterpreted. It would give students a quick access to upcoming information and shared ideas. Like I said, I could usually utilize it in most of my classes, but I think where I would get most use out of it would be managing a student organization like my FFA chapter. So let's go to Padlet here. And when you get signed in, you're brought to your dashboard. I don't have any Padlets right now, but we're going to make that really simple. We'll go up here to make a Padlet. There's several different layouts you can choose from depending on what you're utilizing Padlet for. If I was going to use Padlet as the self-described digital bulletin board, which I think is a great descriptor of Padlet, I would use the wall. We'll just go with the wall right here. So you're given just a random background. You can title it, give it a description, whatever you want to over here. We have National FFA Week coming up. FFA, so I'm going to title this particular Padlet FFA Week Details. And then I'll come down here and change my wallpaper to something that suits us a little bit more. I'll just select just a good common blue. And you can change a lot of different settings here, but we'll call it that. Now I'm ready to start posting. When you're ready to begin posting, you come over here to the little plus button down to the side. My first post, I'll just call FFA Week, and I'll give the date. It starts tomorrow, so 2/21. What are we going to do? We're going to paint the hay bales by highway at 9 a.m. Deliver Meals on Wheels for Senior Center at 11 a.m. Now I could post that. In fact, I will. I'll just hit publish, and here, whoever joins this Padlet, they see the posting. That's what we're doing. If I want to edit this particular posting in any way, shape, or form, I can change the color of it. I can copy it. I can expand it. Let's just go in and edit it. If I want to add any links or documents, images, lots of things that we can add, screen recordings. It offers a ton of flexibility for someone to introduce, just to have information out there in one-stop spot for students, parents, other teachers to access. It's a very handy tool. Great for just getting all information out there and having it all in one location that people can find. You can also offer feedback. Students can make posts. I would probably share this with my officers and allow them to make posts. I could share it with other members and let them ask questions on posts. I think there's just a lot of flexibility and a lot of neat ways to utilize Padlet. Again, like I said, I think it would be a great way to just offer some sort of base for a student organization to come to and have information shared so everyone's always on the same page. Padlet's a great tool. Seems like one that I would recommend.